New details emerging in the murder case against Ronnie Hyde. He is the man accused of killing 16-year-old Fred Laster decades ago. The teen's dismembered body was found inside a Lake City dumpster. Investigators believe Hyde killed him in his Jacksonville Beach home. News4Jax reporter Bree Isom joins us live from the Duval County Courthouse. And Bree, the court heard about new evidence the state wants to present.
Yeah, so prosecutors ended up finding a journal that had Hyde writing that he wanted to apologize to a person named Fred and a person named Travis. Now, Travis was Fred's brother. A motion hearing took place Friday in the case of Ronnie Hyde, who's been indicted for the 1994 murder of 16-year-old Fred Laster. In 1994, police discovered the torso of a teenage boy next to a dumpster in Lake City. Investigators found physical evidence in the dumpster that was connected to the dead teenager, including a flannel shirt with blood on it. In 2016, investigators say the blood was matched to Hyde. Now prosecutors have discovered a journal where Hyde writes he wants to apologize to a Fred and a Travis. Travis was Fred Laster's brother. Randy Reeb, who's an attorney not affiliated with this case, weighed in on this.
Journal entries are being made purportedly by the defendant. The state has a problem in that they have to show that it was in fact made by the defendant. But once they demonstrate that those are the defendant's words, then his statements can be used against him.
Then you also said that those could also mean nothing as well.
If the jury were to find that they were not made by the defendant, that would make them not relevant and not usable against him. And also, I think it's more like he's making statements more like an apology and whatnot. And in the totality of the circumstances, it may mean something.
An motion was also denied regarding the victim calling his siblings the day he was murdered, saying he was with Hyde.
Those statements will be excluded because they are being offered for the truth of the matter asserted and not something that can be confronted or cross-examined.
The final pretrial hearing for this case will happen next Friday. And now, coming up on News4Jax at 11, we'll talk about some of the other evidence the other bits of evidence that were presented to the court today. I'm reporting live in Jacksonville. Bree Isom, Channel 4, the local station.